Little Giuseppe's Marketplace with the one and only Vinny, and this is gonna be great.
It's summertime. I'm giving you something to do on your grill that's gonna blow everybody's mind. We're making a burger.
What kind of burger?
Not just any burger. We're making a vino burger. V-I-N-O. Vino means wine in Italian. We're using a wine cheese. We're gonna take these half-pound sirloin burgers. I'm bringing it in. I'm gonna flatten it out. We're gonna hit our grill pan, right? In today's episode of What's Cooking, the part of ketchup is being played by spicy tomato jam. So we're gonna core our tomatoes, cut them in half. We're just gonna remove that one piece right there. That pan is ripping hot, so I wanna get our tomatoes in there. So now we're gonna start building. Little secret, we're gonna add a little caramelized onion to the party. Lily, we said spicy tomato jam, right?
I was hoping for that.
One whole Calabrian chili, because these pack a lot of punch. It wouldn't be a jam without sugar. I want some fresh thyme in here, a little splash of vinegar, cut some of our cheese here. How cool is that? The little injection of wine musk there. The jam is done. Look at that color on that, nice and red. Jam on.
Okay, let's jam. On the bottom first, spread it out.
Yeah, get that in there. All right, burger next. That's the vino burger, look at that.
This might be my new favorite burger. I cannot wait to try it, and you should try it too. So head to news12.com, you will find the recipe there. Good one, Ben, good one.
My pleasure as always.